I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Maggie Norris with Whisked Cooking School. We're getting your Memorial Day weekend barbecue off the ground with 3 dips. Now, we did the BLT dip, so that's chilling in the fridge.
Yes.
Our pitas came out perfectly.
They're great. And
Perfect
I
pitas.
took the liberty of trying one, and they are
Good for you.
perfectly crisp.
Okay,
They are
so
really
what
good.
goes on these delicious pitas?
Okay, so we are gonna serve that with the whipped feta dip and cucumbers. So the first thing I have in here, I have feta. I was just saying Trader Joe's stopped carrying my favorite feta, so I'm trying to, I know.
She goes, it ruined my whole week.
It did, I found out on Monday, and so it has ruined my week. But I'm trying to find a substitute. I have feta.
What do you like in a feta? What do I look for?
I like it to be, my least favorite word is moist, but I do like it to be like moist, but I like it to be salty as well.
Okay.
This is a little bit blander.
Kyle, stop laughing.
I know. Everybody knows how much I hate that word, but it is a good descriptor.
Okay, of your feta.
Right, and it has to be packed in a little bit of like liquid.
Okay.
Like a brine. You asked.
I did.
You asked.
Stop
And
doing
there's
that.
cream cheese
Cream cheese.
in there as well.
All right,
I've
full
already-
fat cream cheese.
Full fat cream cheese. I've already blended it a little bit, but it's not blending as well as I would like. So I'm gonna add some olive oil.
All right.
And I'm gonna add some
Fresh lemon.
Yep. I'm gonna squeeze that.
And are
right in
these, is this like a dip that you put in the refrigerator and like the next day it's even better, or should I serve this?
Sure, yeah.
Like when all the flavors come together?
Yes, exactly. But also this dip can be served at room temperature, which I love in recipes. That's one of my favorite descriptors, because that means I don't have to have it piping hot or totally cold for it to be good.
Yes.
And it's a great dip.
And I think this would be great on chicken.
Yeah.
Or, you know what I mean, in fish. It's
You could also,
not only a dip, like a sauce.
yep, you could do that like a spread on there. But another thing that's really good on, I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. I did taste this feta ahead of time, and it's not as salty as my favorite one.
Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil. We just want it like a, you know, spreadable kind of consistency. But heirloom, like cut up heirloom tomatoes. So it's really like if you're doing like a toasted baguette, cut up heirloom tomatoes, a little bit of basil, that goes all. Okay, so this is a good consistency. I'll show you, you know, it's like creamy. That's
Got
good.
it, okay.
And so for this is just tomatoes. I mean,
Cucumbers, an English cucumber,
that
right?
is not a tomato. Yes, it's an English cucumber, and I still kind of scrape the seeds out of them, even though they're not technically seeds. There's still enough in there that they bother me.
Okay.
A little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm gonna do a little bit more lemon juice on this.
So you can kind of make it as lemony as you like it.
Yes, and I love lemon.
Do we mix that up?
Sure. Yep. And then the way that you serve this is you put it in we'll put it in 2 separate bowls. We'll serve the pita chips. You can also serve it with vegetables. Just if you're serving with vegetables, serve it big enough. And I do have some peppers that I'll show later. But you want it big enough that you can actually like put the dip on it. It's not like a little strip.
Okay, quick question this. Is that dip going in here? But
Nope,
no,
you
2
serve them
separate
separately.
bowls.
So
Okay.
you put this on the pita, the cucumbers on
top
top of that, and
Got
serve
it.
it.
Okay, now I'm. Did you see that? I was like, what is she talking about? All right, now it's all coming together for me. Maggie, thank you so much. When we come back, we'll be making a 3rd dip. And if you want to learn and cook with Maggie and learn how to be a whiz in the kitchen, take a class at Whisked Cooking School.